Are you ready to transform your classroom into a Halloween wonderland? Imagine walking into a room that brings spooky magic to life with every corner. Whether you're looking for eerie decorations or fun, kid-friendly designs, this video will give you all the tips you need to create the perfect Halloween classroom. Let's dive into some spine-tingling decor ideas that will make your students gasp in delight. How can I create an engaging Halloween theme without breaking the budget? Answer: creating a stunning Halloween-themed classroom doesn't mean you have to spend a lot. Here's how to do it. DIY paper crafts. Make spooky ghosts, bats, and pumpkins using construction paper. Hang them around the room for an affordable yet festive look. Recycling materials. Reuse old items like cardboard boxes, bottles, or jars to create props like tombstones or potion bottles. A little paint can go a long way. Use nature. Collect fallen leaves and branches to give your classroom a natural, haunted forest feel. Simple, effective, and free. If these ideas sound fun, make sure to give this video a like and share it with fellow teachers looking for budget-friendly ideas. How can I add interactive elements to my Halloween classroom decor? Interactive decor brings the room to life and keeps students engaged. Mystery boxes. Create feel-and-guess boxes filled with safe, spooky items, like peeled grapes as eyeballs. It's a fun sensory experience for students. Spooky scavenger hunt. Hide Halloween-themed objects around the room and give students clues to find them. It's a great way to build excitement. Talking props. Use simple voice recorders hidden inside props, like pumpkins or cauldrons, that deliver spooky yet friendly messages to anyone who presses a button. Looking for more interactive classroom ideas? Check the description for similar videos on holiday-themed classroom setups. What are some must-have Halloween decor elements for a spooky yet kid-friendly environment? Balancing spooky with friendly is key to creating a classroom atmosphere that's fun, not frightening. Pumpkin patch corner. Set up a cozy area with artificial or paper pumpkins where students can gather for stories or activities. Friendly ghosts. Stick to cute ghost cutouts or inflatable ghosts that are more Casper than creepy. Glow-in-the-dark elements. Incorporate glow-in-the-dark stars, moons, or Halloween-themed stickers that make the room come alive when the lights are off. Comment below and let me know your favorite kid-friendly Halloween decorations. How can I involve students in decorating the classroom for Halloween? Getting students involved in the decorating process can be a fun and educational experience. Classroom Craft Day. Set aside a day where students create decorations like paper spiders or decorate mini pumpkins. It builds excitement and gives them ownership of the space. Decorate the door challenge. Split the class into groups and have them decorate different areas of the classroom or even the door, fostering teamwork and creativity. Student art display. Create a haunted art gallery where students can showcase their Halloween-themed drawings or crafts. Want more classroom activity ideas? Subscribe now and hit the bell for notifications on upcoming videos. What lighting options should I use to create a Halloween vibe in the classroom? Lighting plays a huge role in setting the right mood for your Halloween decor. String lights. Use orange and purple string lights around the room to give a festive, eerie glow. LED candles. Place battery-operated LED candles on shelves or inside lanterns for a flickering, spooky effect without the fire hazard. Black lights. Incorporating black lights can make certain decorations, like glow-in-the-dark stickers or white cobwebs, pop. Don't forget to check the description for links to some of the products featured in this video. How can I transform my classroom into a different Halloween theme each week? Switching up themes throughout October can keep the excitement alive. Week 1, Haunted House. Add cobwebs, old picture frames, and eerie silhouettes to give your room a haunted mansion feel. Week 2, Mad Scientist Lab. Create a lab corner with jars filled with specimens, think peeled grapes, cooked spaghetti, and place lab coats and goggles for added effect. Week 3, Magical Forest. Transition to a whimsical, enchanted forest with twinkling lights, paper trees, and friendly forest creatures dressed in Halloween costumes. If you love these creative ideas, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on future seasonal decorating tips. How can I add interactive elements to my Halloween classroom decor? Interactive decor brings the room to life and keeps students engaged. Mystery boxes. Create feel-and-guess boxes filled with safe, spooky items, like peeled grapes as eyeballs. It's a fun sensory experience for students. Spooky scavenger hunt. Hide Halloween-themed objects around the room and give students clues to find them. It's a great way to build excitement. Talking props. Use simple voice recorders hidden inside props, like pumpkins or cauldrons, that deliver spooky yet friendly messages to anyone who presses a button. Looking for more interactive classroom ideas? Check the description for similar videos on holiday-themed classroom setups. Bringing your Halloween classroom decor to life. By using these decor tips, you can create a Halloween classroom that's not only fun and engaging, but also a place where students look forward to learning every day. Whether you go for budget-friendly crafts, interactive elements, or transforming your classroom each week, there's no limit to the creativity you can bring to this spooky season. Have fun and let your imagination run wild. Your students will love it,